Education is the integral part of the development of any individual. The purpose of education is to replace an empty mind with an open one. In this competitive and technology-driven age, education's importance has only increased manifolds. Earlier, it was very difficult to find an excellent seat of learning. But now, higher education and professional degrees are available in your own state. The IES Group of Institutions Bhopal have been imparting quality professional education to thousands of students and guiding them to become a true academician and an efficient professional. The IES Group of Institutions campus is one of the best in the state with excellent planning and landscaping. Layout of the group is beautifully planned with built-up area of 4 lakh square feet in eco-friendly environment. IES Group of Institution established in the year 1999 under the aegis of Infotech Education Society is a leading organization of engineering and technology, pharmaceutical sciences, management and teachers education programs. A pioneering institution of opportunity and diversity, IES Group has given wings to dreams of many students. Not only dreams, but the institute also ensured that the dreams turn into reality and they are able to carve a niche for themselves. The IES Group of Institute is situated in the Ratibad area of Bhopal. The institute is 14 kilometers away from airport, 12 kilometers away from Habibganj railway station and 16 kilometers from Bhopal main railway station. So now let's take a look on the institutes of IES Group of Institutions. The important institutes of the IES Group are the IES College of Technology, which offers BE, Bachelor of Engineering and MBA, Masters of Business Administration courses in Human Resource, Marketing and Finance. The IES Institute of Technology and Management, which offers BE in almost all available branches. IES College of Pharmacy offers B.Pharm and M.Pharm with specialization in pharmaceutics and pharmaceutical chemistry. The IES College of Education, which offers courses, both graduation and master programs in business administration, computer application and education. At the IES Group of Institution, a place where engineering, pharmacy, management, computer applications and education courses are being taught at one place. Now let's have a look at the details of the course being offered. In Engineering BE, IES Group of Institution offers Civil Engineering CE, Electronics and Communication Engineering EC, Electricals and Electronics Engineering EEE, Computer Science and Engineering CSE, Mechanical Engineering. The group is duly approved by All India Council of Technical Education AICTE and National Council for Teacher Education NCTE, Rajiv Gandhi Technological University RGTU and Barkatullah University BU. Now let's listen to what the director of IES Group of Institutes is saying about why IES Group of Institutes is special.
At IES, we believe in quality education with international exposure and world-class infrastructure. Our group is working for excellent placement of the students. As a result, our this year batch 2011 students not only got good placement offers for the big companies, but many of them got multi offers from the different companies. This shows group commitment for the better placement of the students.
The up-to-date infrastructural facilities and modern teaching aids make the IES group of institutions a memorable and valuable experience for all its students. There are over 65 well-furnished classrooms with latest teaching methods supported by audio visual support system. The IES group of institutions holds the pride of having one of the biggest air-conditioned central computer lab with among all private institutions of the state. The group also has spacious, large and modern laboratories for students. Proper attention has been paid to ensure the core understanding of subjects of the pharmacy students also. For them, the institute has an exclusive medicinal garden. The central library of IES group of institutes is built on an area of 1200 square feet and holds the pride of being an air-conditioned digital modern library. The library has over 1400 books and reference books. IES group of institutions has an air-conditioned seminar hall with a capacity of 650 audience for all major lectures and seminars. Then there is an air-conditioned conference room for all major conferences and often used for conduction GDPI. An open-air theatre auditorium with a capacity of over 1500 audience. Food is very important as good food enhances the learning capacity of the students. IES group of institutions has made 2 canteens, then bus facility for staff and students to all major parts of the city. IES group of institutes houses a guest house of its own in the campus. Faculties at IES are well qualified, experienced and well versed with latest ideas, innovations and trends. The faculties strive to create an exciting learning environment that pushes our students to tackle complex issues and develop creative solutions. The group has institutional membership. Some of them are Computer Society of India (CSI), the Institution of Engineering India, All India Management Association (AIMA), Indian Society for Technical Education (ISTE), the Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers (IETE), National Association of Software and Service Companies (NASSCOM). The students are certified by Oracle, Microsoft, Red Hat, Cisco, IBM DB2, NIIT. Events and activities. The group annually organizes a number of events and activities like IES National Teachers Excellence Awards. On 9th February 2011, IES Group of Institutions in association with World HRD Congress sponsored Shine HR Leadership Awards, which was organized at Taj Lands End, Mumbai. On 8th of March, International Women's Day is celebrated. Tech Festival to promote the spirit of competition amongst the youth. State-level technical festival in Foria 2K is organized. Agaz Freshers Party, Utkarsh Annual Function, Udan Farewell. Sports. The heritage of the sporting activities is maintained since many years. It hosts number of sports events. The training and placement cell of the institute is effectively engaged in developing the students in all needed skills and placing in top companies. It is the only group to organize 2 successful Mega Campus Carnival in the state, in which students from all over India converged at IES for placement drive. Packages offered were up to 6 lakhs per annum. Training tie-ups. NIIT, Oracle University, EDI, CSI, AIMA, IMA, IETE, Microsoft, HCL, MSME, NASSCOM and ISTE. Major company visited for placements are IES Group of Institutions has the highest ratio of campus placements in the state. Closed campus drive.
I am very glad to say that I have been selected in persistence system after 3 rigorous rounds. It was a pool campus which include 19 colleges and it selected only 7 students and I was one of them. During my preparation, my faculties helped me a lot. They encourage me and motivate me.
I am pretty excited to state that I am now a part of Convergys Information Management family. I would like to state that this campus included more than 3,000 students, out of which only 32 students were finally selected. I am happy to state that I am now one of the members of this family. This college has always been behind my success. It has always walked by my side towards the path of success. I would finally like to say that well begin is half done.
Recently, IS Group of Institutions have conducted 2 rounds. First round is GD round and second one is PI round. I have cleared both the round and I got selected out of 25 students.
And I am selected in Syntel Incorporation, in which around 80,000 students had appeared and 800 were selected.
IES attracts Bollywood too. IES has become Bollywood's favorite destination. The world-class infrastructure of the group has attracted the filmmaker Prakash Jha. He shot some scenes for his upcoming film Arakshan at the campus. On 29th March 2011, film star Jackie Bhagnani and film director and writer Rumi Jafri were at the campus for the promotion of their movie Faltu. Activities for school children. IES is the only group in Bhopal to organize activities for children. IES Group and Dainik Bhaskar annually organize IES Children Film Festival. On 14th April 2011, Shri Anand Kumar, Super 30 IIT Patna, was invited by IES Group of Institutions, Bhopal for a seminar for IIT aspirants. Recently, on 8th of May 2011, IES and Abhilasha Musical Academy, Bhopal, organized second IES Inter-School Singing Competition, in which special guest for the finale was Mohammad Salamat, Bollywood playback singer. At the IES Group of Institutes, we do not only educate students, but we design lives. We are walking ahead on our promise of giving this country healthy, skilled, conceptually strong and competent individuals with high morale and social morale. We focus on strengthening the professional as well as the moral fabric of our students and developing a global conscience in them. As education is not only about teaching lessons and reading books, but it is about building individual and designing destinies.